Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not NBKC has early direct deposit. I've gotten a lot of questions about this lately, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about why early direct deposit is important. For many people, it can make a big difference in their financial lives. It can help you pay bills on time, avoid late fees, and save money for emergencies. What is early direct deposit? Early direct deposit is a service that some banks offer that allows you to get your paycheck deposited into your account before your regular payday. This can be a great benefit if you're struggling to make ends meet or if you need to pay bills on time. Does NBKC have early direct deposit? The answer to this question is yes. NBKC does offer early direct deposit. In fact, they offer one of the earliest direct deposit services in the country. You can get your paycheck deposited into your account as early as 3 days before your regular payday. How to sign up for early direct deposit with NBKC? If you're interested in signing up for early direct deposit with NBKC, there are a few things you need to do. First, you'll need to open a checking account with NBKC. Once you have an account, you can log into your online banking and enroll in early direct deposit. Benefits of early direct deposit with NBKC. There are a number of benefits to signing up for early direct deposit with NBKC. Here are a few of the most important. Get your paycheck early. You can get your paycheck deposited into your account as early as 3 days before your regular payday. This can be a great help if you're struggling to make ends meet. Avoid late fees. You can avoid late fees on your bills by paying them early. Save money for emergencies. You can save money for emergencies by having your paycheck deposited into your account early. Additional tips for using early direct deposit. Here are a few additional tips for using early direct deposit. Make sure your employer knows your direct deposit information. Your employer will need your direct deposit information in order to deposit your paycheck into your account. Set up automatic payments. You can set up automatic payments for your bills so that they are paid on time each month. Track your spending. It's important to track your spending so that you know how much money you have available each month. Early direct deposit is a great benefit that can help you save money and improve your financial situation. If you're looking for a bank that offers early direct deposit, I recommend NBKC. They offer one of the earliest direct deposit services in the country and have a number of other benefits that can make your life easier. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about early direct deposit with NBKC. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. I'll see you next time.